Hey guys, welcome back to Mommy Traders. So on this channel, my family of 5 is documenting our journey to financial independence, and we're going to get there in 6 years via investing in the stock market, real estate, cryptocurrency, and just overall increasing our net worth. So if that sounds interesting to you and you want to get started on your own wealth building journey, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join us. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. So we're going to be talking about our 2021 financial goals and giving a 6-month update. Why? Because like it says here at the top, 2022 is 6 months away. I don't know about you guys, but it feels like the time is going by so fast. And one of the things that causes many people to let go of a lot of the goals that they make, just general goals that they have for themselves, is not being consistent, because we make all these goals in January, but we let go of the goals come March. And that's actually statistically proven, guys. And so one of the things that I love about documenting our journey here on YouTube is that it acts sort of like a video diary for us. And so it keeps us motivated and encouraged and accountable, guys, not just to ourselves, but to those who come to the channel and are just as invested in our financial journey as we are. And so because 2022 is only 6 months away, this is a great opportunity to look at your financial goals and see how much progress you made, where you are, things you may need to improve on, things you may need to kind of speed up a little bit on, because again, time, especially when it comes to your finances and investing, time is one of your best friends. And so again, I just wanted to check in with this and film this so that you guys can stay motivated as well. So before I go into any of this, there are 2 things that we wanted to improve on that I'm just going to say right off the bat. One of the things is that we want to give ourselves more room to breathe. We have been really grinding, really kind of hitting it hard with our investing, and we want to take some more, monies to kind of smell the roses, not ball out or splurge. But again, I like going to the nail salon. I like getting my eyebrows done. Lord knows they need to be done. I'm going to bring that expense back. We're also going to bring back the expense of personal money. Now, my husband and myself used to give ourselves $100 per paycheck. We stopped because number 1, the pandemic hit and we just wasn't spending anything. And number 2, I didn't really have anything that I really wanted. I really am more an experienced type of person than just stuff. And I can tell you, when we just came back from our trip to Ocean City, Maryland, that we really as a family just like to vacation. We like to travel. So though we may not like stuff, we want to make sure we earmark some more of our money to experiences. And you guys know, if you're a family of 5, experiences can cost, which is why we are big fans of credit card hacking, because it really does bring the price down to just traveling different places. And we've been to many places as a family: Canada, Hawaii, London, Romania, Jamaica, Florida, which we love, just different places. And we want to be able to go to more places. So we are going to start to add some of that back into our budget. So even if we aren't buying physical things, we are putting deposits down on trips and different things like that. So that's what the 2 things we're going to improve on. But let's get into some of the good that we have been doing, because we did achieve a lot of good in these first 6 months of this year. Not to brag, not even to humble brag, but to encourage you guys. I'm on here faithfully every week with real numbers, showing you guys that if we can do it, you can do it. We did not start out with a whole lot of money, but as we made more money, we made sure that we invested more, that we put more of that money to work, that we got out of debt and stayed out of debt. And the accumulation that we have been able to see these past 6 years have been nothing short of a miracle. And it's by hard work and dedication, continuing to educate ourselves so that we can make the best choices for our money. So I did a lot of rambling, guys. I'm sorry, but I wanted to put that out there to you guys. So let's go over our financial goals. Now, I will link that video that I did in January, Up in the Eye in the Sky, to our financial goals, but I have them listed here as well. So back in January, we said we wanted to increase our 401k to 2%. We did that, and a lot of that was because our bonus that we received in March, received earlier in the year, was front loaded into that 401k, and we plan on maxing that out. Next was to invest a minimum of $25,000. We actually invested $90,000, guys, almost $91,000. Again, any stimulus, any tax refund, any bonus, all went to investing in some sort, whether it was real estate, whether it was the stock market, cryptocurrency, dividends, whatever it was, we made sure that we invested some of that extra money. So we really beat that goal, guys. Next was purchase a second rental. We were able to do that. We closed on May 26th, and we are in the process of purchasing our third rental this year, hopefully, if the housing market can kind of cool off a little bit. But honestly, we just don't see it in the area that we're in. Next is to achieve a $550,000 net worth. I can tell you that our main net worth was $709,000. So we beat that as well. So that's done. Achieved $1 million in assets. That happened in May as well. Our assets are actually at $1,256,675. So it really kind of ballooned farther than what we thought. That's why I always say don't try to time the market, because the market since the pandemic kind of came back roaring with a vengeance. So again, that's what our assets are. Next was have a $500 balance in our investing saving challenge. We did complete that, and I did put that over on my Instagram stories because that's where I show that at now. So please, guys, go over and follow me over on Instagram. I post more often over there, and you guys can, again, just follow along on the journey. Next is we want to continue to give and donate more, and that's ongoing. I wouldn't even say that's done. We've been faithful with it, tithing, offering, donating consistently to others, to different charities. So again, guys, we are really happy with the progress that we're making in the first 6 months. I didn't think we would make this much progress, but that's the perk of investing, is that sometimes it can go much further than you could have ever dreamed. So of course, since we have met those goals, it's important to create new ones. You don't want to stop the momentum or the train here. So we want to invest $30,000 more this year. Okay, $30,000 more this year. We also want to purchase the third rental. When I say purchase, close on the property. Next is to achieve an $850,000 net worth. So stay tuned to our June net worth update video coming out soon. We want to contribute $5,000 to the kiddies accounts. We want to complete our backdoor Roth, and we plan to have this done by the end of September, and I will document that journey here on the channel as well. Open up a SEEP IRA for myself. I'm not going to talk too much about that because I have a special video planned for that. Max out our 401k, that I talked about that up here as well. So we plan on maxing this out. Next, and currently we have $13,140 that we contributed to that 401k. Increase our dividends to $100. Increase our emergency fund to $40,000. We have a couple of rentals now. We need to make sure we have money earmarked for that. And increase our fire number to $3 million. So those are our new goals. Let's see if we can hit those in the 6 remaining months of 2021. I have our company stock, or my husband's company stock, vested here because this is key to our early financial independence goals, is his company stock. So he has 3 years vested so far. He gets more vested every January, and so currently his total vested shares are at $280,340.73. So we're really just happy to see this. This is a huge motivating factor for us, guys, because this is really what's going to kind of propel our fire number, or us reaching that fire number much, much sooner. That's one of the main reasons why we were able to shave off a couple of years, is because taking into account all of his stock in his company. Next, I'm going to move my face over here in the middle. This is our total investing saving contributions for this year thus far. This does not count any gains or anything like that, just what we personally put into different accounts. So 401k, $13,140.16. We invested, the company match. Now this is key, guys. Company matches are so important. That's why I say, if you don't want to invest too much, maybe you're fearful, maybe you're paying off debt, try to invest up to the company match, because it's literally free money. I mean, I'm not kidding you. It's literally free money. We received $7,190.78 just for contributing to the 401k. $3,600 we put into the HSA this year thus far. We put $3,605 into the Robinhood account thus far. We put $4,675 into our growth stocks thus far, $3,643 into our crypto account thus far, Webull $750, the Roth IRA that we did max out, which was at $5,000. We could not do $6,000 because of income limitations. And we have other right here. This is this third rental property, backdoor Roth, other investments. This does not include the children. This also includes the down payment we made on our investment property, our second rental property. That was $44,609. So when you add all of this up, $86,210.94 that we personally put into some type of investment asset. So we are really, really proud of ourselves. We could have splurged, but to see what we just contributed, and we're not even talking about gains here, it's just astronomical. So that's what we put in so far for the first 6 months. Move my face up some more. So our fire tracker. Now I put this in our net worth spreadsheet, but I put this here as well to see how we're doing in terms of the 6-month mark. So as you guys know, our new goal now is $3 million. And our current net worth is, now this is kind of a spoiler here, but we want to get our net worth for 2021 to $850,000. I really, really believe we will hit that number. It's just, if the market keeps going the way that it is now, housing, the stock market, etc., and we continue to keep our liabilities low, yes, we believe that we'll be able to hit that. We didn't think we would at the beginning of the year, but just looking at the trends and the data. Now, again, we can't predict the market, but that's our hope anyway. So our June net worth as of June 25th, when this video was recorded, was at $736,197. Now, I usually track or post our net worth videos at the end of the month because I like to let the entire month go by before I get the numbers and plug them into the spreadsheet. But as of June 25th, it's at $736,197 is the net worth. The net worth with our options. Now I'm going to start to count this starting in our June net worth. Why? Because we've got several comments and messages about including the stock options. Now I've mentioned before, I was only counting about $50,000 worth because the remainder we wanted to use to pay off our primary home when we achieved FIRE. So we can go into FIRE with no mortgage on our main house. But as a couple of people mentioned, if we're counting the debt or what the balance that's owed on that main home, we should include then the value of our stock options to get a more accurate picture of our net worth. And so that's what we're going to start doing. And that's going to mean that our net worth is going to increase, more. So our net worth with the current stock options, remember what's vested right here is $280,340. That means if my husband decides to cash in, he will trigger a tax event, but he'll get a nice chunk of change. So with that included, our net worth as of June 25th is $966,538. So almost at that $1 million mark. And I will post a special video when we hit that number. There we go. Percent to our 2021 net worth goal. So this is without the stock options. Remember over here, 850,000. We are at 86.68% to this 850,000. So we are really, really, really happy. If we counted with the stock options, it's a done deal. We achieved and met that goal. But again, I'm tracking with both the stock options and without the stock options. And of course, we're on FIRE stage 10. And I got this idea from Our Rich Journey, Amon and Christina, because I really love being able to track how far we are going on our, FIRE journey. So make sure that we are hitting the numbers the way that we want to hit them so that we can, achieve FIRE when we're ready to, which is in 6 years at 42. So again, down here, I'm going to end the video with some affirmations. This has really been helpful to us. Affirmations is so important. Don't compare your journey to anyone else. Remember, social media always presents the glittery side of things. Celebrate the small and big wins, guys. Every bit matters. You are more than a conqueror. Don't ever feel like you cannot do anything. Remember, risk with preparation equal wins. Always be prepared. Educate yourself and you'll do well. Remember, it's not just about you or us. It's about our children and their children. Generations are at stake. We are not our past. Yes, we got into a lot of debt, but that's not our future, guys. Also, giving back is so important to us, and we plan on to continue this. and just enjoying the journey, making sure that, we enjoy this process. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.